Oh boy, this video got a lot of people talking, and people were saying many things. Even myself, I did not even know how to feel about it, because a Christian guy, a guy man, let me even put it like this, guy man got married to Ezenwa Anyimiri. That's a queen mother in Igbo, we call it Ezenwa Anyimiri. And they did their traditional marriage inside the water. According to what the girl said, the lady said, she said that she had to do the traditional everything inside the water for her to unlock her full potentials. And this particular video got a lot of people talking. Initially, when I saw this video, I thought it was a skit, but it's not a skit. And people were saying many things. I never see this kind of thing for my life. I tell you, I never see this kind of thing. But they look so happy with themselves. You know, marriage is not all about the looks and everything. The important thing, marriage is about love. Oh. See this kind of love where the guy gets. You know, even listen to anybody. Just jejely go marry the girl. I don't need to say much. Because watch the video for yourself and see with your eyes how this guy married, he tied the knots with a recognized queen mother. So viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BBI Channel 1 Plus. I don't know how to feel about this Ezenwa and the husband, because probably, obviously, both families approve. Because if the family of the guy did not approve, the guy wouldn't have married her, and the family of the girl didn't approve, they wouldn't have come together. And people are saying it's love. Do you know, the girl said that the guy did not know that she is Ezenwa, she's the queen mother, and the guy just fell in love with her. That's what she said. I will still put the video of when she was explaining how they met, you know, and how the marriage in the water will unlock her full potentials. However you feel about this, because
love, you have to, you know, it has to be number one. The love has to be genuine. You are not going to use charm on the person, because anything will make you use charm on the person is fake. They will not accept it. The person has to love you naturally, without no, like, maybe you go love because of say you get power, or maybe because you go love because of say you get money, or maybe you go love the person because of say the person get money, or the boy is the person. No, you will not have any single reason of loving the person, so that anything that come out tomorrow, both of you can be able to stay. And not relationship where we say you go to do, go to sleep around. The man no fit focus, the woman no fit focus. Like both of you are stick. So after I did my traditional marriage, which is according to Igbo culture, as a Igbo lady, I have to go for traditional marriage. After I finish that one, then I say that I want to take my tattoo in the river. I have to do this whole marriage stuff. And before I started dating my man, I told him, see, I'm a goddess, so, and I have to tell you, you have to marry me in the river, so that they can give me that crown. Once I get that crown inside the river, then I can be able to do any spiritual work that I want to do, so that it will be perfect. Like anything that I'm doing as a goddess, it will be perfect. And he at the beginning he was like, was that I've not had it before. Normally, I have a spiritual husband, right? He has a spiritual life too. So he was like, I don't understand. Does something like that exist on earth? Then I made him understand that yes, something like that exists on earth. Something like that exists. Hi, babe.
Give me your power bank already.
I know, but I'm not going to use. Hello? I'm not going the only maybe by you called now and then tell me you plug the phone. Change them the on jet so. You want to go out? Okay, I got a lot of work to do. It is not about Hausa or Igbo or Yoruba or you are a white or you are a black person. It's about the spiritual power behind it. There is spiritual something behind it. Like if you are fully a goddess, you call yourself a water goddess, that you're working for people, and they have not married you in the ocean, inside the river. There's no man that stands for you to signify that he's your husband on earth, inside river. Man, you are just a man messenger. Walk now by grace of God, walk with a walk. You understand? Because they see you as above by me. You're not yet married. But now there's a lot of people that died down with this thing. We have so many of our mothers, they are goddesses. In fact,
put it on the comment section, because me, I don't want to criticize. It's love. Like I said, love is a beautiful thing. And she's looking so fine, and the husband is looking so beautiful, and I hope that their marriage will last forever. You know.